I've checked loads of true wireless earbuds, with or without ANC, budget or premium on this channel, and I can say that the sound quality and the performance of the earbuds increased, which is good for the users. For the retail price of around £36, the Ugreen HiTune T3 do a great job, but don't take my word for it, let's check them out and put them through tests. This is quite a compact box with the product image on the front and the specs and the controls on the back. It opens differently to other earbuds boxes. This one opens on the right just by pulling the slider. Once the box is open, there is the case with the buds in at the top, and right under it there are the ear tips in 3 sizes, small, medium and large, plus the one already fitted on the earbuds, which are extra small. Under the tray there is some literature, the manual guide and the safety guide, and in this compartment at the bottom there is the charging cable, USB-A to USB-C. This is the case. It has a square design with a Type-C charging port and the connection button at the bottom. At the back there is the Ugreen inscription on the hinge. At the front there are 3 LED lights that indicate the battery level of the case and when the earbuds are in and charging. It has a similar style to the AirPods Pro case. The spring of the lid is strong and the magnets that hold the earbuds are also strong. The case is very light and made of plastic. It has a glossy finish that attracts fingerprints and it is super slippery to the point where I need 2 hands to open the lid. The case doesn't have wireless charging and being so compact it is easy to store and carry around. The HiTune T3 comes in 2 colors, white and black. Both colors are fingerprint magnets, but on the white one you can see the marks if you pay close attention, whereas on the black ones the marks are quite visible. The earbuds are held in place by magnets, strong ones, and they do not come out when shaken. They look very similar to the AirPods Pro. Probably this is what Ugreen is after, an affordable alternative to the AirPods Pro, at least on the looks. The stems look to be glued on the side of the buds. They are longer and thicker than the ones on the AirPods, with the Ugreen logo on the side, the mic under the logo. At the top there is another mic for noise reduction and there is another mic just near the speaker grill. The ear tips can be removed easily. They have this oval shape just like the One More ComfoBuds Pro, which means that not all of the ear tips will fit if you want to go for something else. It is very easy to connect these earbuds to your desired device. Just open the case, then on the device go to Bluetooth and you will see the buds at the bottom. Press, connect and you are ready to go. If you want to connect them to a different device, you will have to press the connect button and then do the same on the new device. Go to Bluetooth and select the earbuds. They can't connect to 2 devices at a time, so when connected to one device you will have to disconnect them and then connect them to the new one. Before we look into the features, if you got value out of this video, be the cool guy to hit the like button. I can see that 99% of the viewers are not subscribed. It would be great if we can decrease that percentage, so hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified of future product reviews. Now let's get back to the video. The Ugreen HiTune T3 are packed with a lot of features for the price. Let's start with the media control. On each of the stems there is a touch area where I can control the music or the voice assistant or even the noise reduction. For play pause, single tap on either left or right earbud. For next track, double tap on the right earbud. For previous track, double tap on the left earbud. To activate the voice assistant, press and hold on the left earbud for 2 seconds. And to switch between active noise cancelling, ambient sound and normal mode, press and hold on the right earbud for 2 seconds. To answer or end a call, double tap on either left or right earbud. To decline a call, press and hold left or right earbud for 2-3 seconds. In terms of noise cancelling, they do a great job, but only with the correct ear tips so they can seal the ear. They did block the sound from across the street even when the music was off. I was very impressed with the ambient sound though. It amplified the exterior sound and I could hear it better than on the normal mode, which is really helpful when walking and listening to music at the same time. One thing that I have to mention here is that in most cases 3 fingers are required to use the features on these earbuds. All of the other earbuds work fine when tapping on them, but these ones required an extra level of awareness just because of how slippery they are. The majority of the time the tap was not registered just because my fingers slid on the stem, or the earbuds registered only one tap when I wanted to change the song. Also, the volume can't be controlled on the earbuds and the taps are not mappable because there is no app. They have Bluetooth 5.2 for better connectivity. They work great while streaming music. When watching YouTube videos on my phone, I did notice a slight delay, like a fraction of a second, if you look at the person talking and listen to what they say. The lips are not in perfect sync. In terms of battery, the earbuds offer 5 hours with noise cancelling on, plus 18 hours from the case, and 7 hours with noise cancelling off, and with the charging case it will go up to 24 hours. The case can be charged via the USB-C cable, but it doesn't have wireless charging. It does have fast charge. 10 minutes on charge gives around 1 hour worth of use. The Ugreen HiTune T3 focuses more on the bass. The sound is clear and great for the price, but the bass is just next level. So if you are into R&B, trap, hip-hop or anything that has extra bass, then the T3 are good enough. While watching films or anime, the sound is nearly on point. You wouldn't say it is a 36 pounds headset that you listen on. The only thing that I notice is the slight delay, like a fraction of a second, if you look at the person talking and listen to what they say. The lips are not in perfect sync. If you want to use these earbuds on a call or during online meetings, they do a great job. The sound is clear and I didn't notice any drop in the connection. As you notice, at the moment the sound is recorded via the HiTune T3. I notice it applies the same low sound on the recordings with more bass and less treble. Nevertheless, the voice is understandable and clear. The microphone doesn't disappoint. This is the sample recorded with the T3 from Ugreen. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Ugreen proves that they are capable of offering great products at a competitive price, and the HiTune T3 is one of these products, with clear sound, active noise cancelling, ambient sound and IPX5 waterproof. For £36 in the UK or $36 in the US, you get a lot of features: great sound, nice case, stable Bluetooth connection, the possibility to skip tracks, answer or reject calls, voice assistant. The only thing that I miss is the volume. You can only increase or decrease the volume from your device. It would have been nice to have this feature included in the touchpad, or at least map the taps on the touchpad. Well, this is it for now. Hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. Hit the like button if so, and subscribe to the channel to be notified of other product reviews. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.